Hello everyone, welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today, Aunty is going to be behind the scene. My daughter is going to make cake, and the cake that she's gonna make is moist carrot cake with walnut and cream cheese topping. Okay, these are the ingredients: 5 eggs and 300 ml of melted butter. And this one is brown sugar, 200, and the white sugar is 30 gram. So 230 gram of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and then 2 teaspoons cinnamon, (290 gram) flour, and 10 gram baking powder, and 400 gram of grated carrot. These are already grated, and 130 gram walnut, but my daughter loves walnut, so she's gonna put it extra. Okay, so that's it. Okay, first you need 5 eggs. Alright, and then followed by 300 ml butter, melted butter, and then followed by brown sugar and white sugar, and then 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, okay, we start mixing it. Okay, the batter is ready, so we add in the carrot. Okay, followed by walnut. Okay, we mix the walnut. Okay. Alright, it's done. And now this is ready for baking. Alright, we glaze the baking tray with butter. And followed by baking paper. Alright. Okay, we pour in the batter into the cake tray. Alright, that's it. Okay, we're gonna preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and then after that we're gonna bake the cake for 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 40 minutes. It all depends on your tray. If the bigger the tray, they will cook faster. Okay friends, the cake is cooked already after bake for 40 minutes. And after this, we're gonna put it inside the fridge and we'll proceed for the next step, making the cream cheese topping. Okay, this is another day. It's time for us to make the cream cheese frosting. And these are all the ingredients with 250 ml whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 200 gram of cream cheese. We are using Philadelphia cream cheese, and 1 to 2 spoons of icing sugar. And now we start putting in the whipping cream into the bowl. Okay, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Okay, mix it well until almost stiff. Okay, this process is going to take a while. Okay, now we add in the cream cheese. All right, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. Add 1 tablespoon first. Go as it tastes. Afraid it's too sweet. Okay, blend again. Okay, we add in another 1 tablespoon of icing sugar and continue to blend it. Okay, it's done. Alright, it's time to put the frosting on the cake. So these are the cake that have already been chilled for the night. The carrot cake. So these are the process. And these are grated carrot, and this one crushed walnuts. Okay. Okay. Walnut. Ooh, yummy. And beautiful. Okay, this is how it looks like. The carrot cake with walnut and cream cheese topping. Hope you like it. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye-bye. See you in the next video. Aunty testing.